In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple audio tracks in Kapwing. This is a fantastic feature for anyone looking to enhance their video projects with sound, whether it's for adding background music, voiceovers, or sound effects. It provides flexibility and creativity in your editing process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, you'll want to head over to Kapwing's website. You can simply open your preferred web browser and type in the address, or click on the link if you're watching this on a platform where that's available. Kapwing is known for being user-friendly and efficient, making it a great tool for content creators looking to produce high-quality media without spending too much time. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen, and give it a click. Now, there are several ways you might sign in, but for this tutorial, let's keep it straightforward by signing in with Google. This option usually provides a quicker and more secure login process. Simply click on Sign In with Google, and if you haven't already linked your Google account with Kapwing, you might need to follow some quick prompts to do so. Next, choose your Google account from the list presented, or enter your credentials if needed. Once you're logged in, navigate to your project files. If you haven't already uploaded the audio files you plan to use, here's a little pro tip. You can quickly drag and drop files from your PC directly into Kapwing. This makes managing your media files much easier and saves you time. Now that you have your audio files in place, it's time to get creative. Click on your project to open it in the editor and you'll see all your uploaded files. Start by clicking and dragging the first audio file you want to use onto the timeline. This sets the foundation for your audio layers. As soon as you've positioned your first track, let's move on to the second. Similarly, click and drag the second audio file onto the desired layer. The beauty of Kapwing's layering system is that you can have different audio tracks playing simultaneously. This is perfect for rich soundscapes or mixing background music with a voiceover. Once both tracks are in, you can adjust each one to your liking. Kapwing allows for multiple adjustments such as volume control, trimming, and aligning with your video files. This flexibility ensures your audio layers mesh well, providing a polished final piece. By following these steps, you'll be able to add complexity and depth to your video projects effortlessly. Enjoy experimenting with your audio tracks and have fun creating amazing content using Kapwing's versatile platform.